Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to activate your Westpac card. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser. As soon as you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in westpac.com.au/worldwidewallet. Now you will end up in this page from where you can choose whether you received your cards in the email or picked it up on your card's branch. Select any one option. Since I received my card via email, let me click on I received my cards in email and click on Activate Now. You will also need to sign into your Westpac online banking account in order to proceed with the activation. Enter your customer ID and then your account's password and click on the Sign In button. Now, enter your card number and then your expiry date for the card and finally click Activate in order to activate your Westpac card online. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.